Hello, it's Philip from Rhino Fit Fabrications. So for the new bracket, you want to grab the 3M tape provided. Make sure to peel the edges so it's easy to peel off. You want to put it on the driver's side, so right behind the ladder, and then you want to peel it off and stick it on. Now this is it's optional. You don't have to install the 3M if you don't wish. Just add a security. Next step is you want to grab your bracket. You want to place it on there. Want to grab one of your bolts with lockers and nuts. Okay, place it right in. Don't mind my dog there. He's just kind of crying. Oh. Okay, you want to gently hand screw them in first. Make sure it's nice and good. And then from here, you want to grab your Allen key. The set screw should be placed in there already. And just lightly screw it in. You don't need to over tighten the set screw. As long as it's touching and there's some force, that's good enough. From here, you want to grab your socket wrench and now tighten up the bolt. Okay, Zeus, that's enough. All right, so do your final checks. Make sure it's all tight. Make sure it's nice and flush right to the edge here, as you can see. And from here, you should be able just to close it, and it should be flush. Nice. Hey guys, it's Philip from Rhino Fit Fabrications. So we've noticed in some situations on some RAV models, we don't know why it's doing this, but for some vehicles, the bolt here is hitting the roof line. Now, if you're experiencing this, it's a very simple fix. All you need to do is you want to go to your tailgate button, push it up, and then stop it to where you want to stop it, and then hold down on the button. It should make a couple beep noises, and then it will always stop at that height.